sellers, check out our Amazon stores if you are interested. Anyway, before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe our channel, share this show with your friends. You can click the bell button so next time when we have the live streamings or the new videos, you can get notified right away. Today we have 5 products to show. They're intelligent vacuum pump, intelligent manifold, the cost-effective manifold, the charting scale, and the leak detector. Let's get started with the vacuum pump. So Benny can show us what's the difference between the Elitech US vacuum pump and the other pumps on the market.
The main difference is that, like as we see here, we can talk about it. It's easy to use in the 4-inch screen. Rachel, could you help me about get closer about that in there? The first, let me mention about that how to use this product first. In here, we have the oil tank here, and then first use we should add, and in here we have the maximum and the minimum level, and we can choose in the center part, and we have. And the vacuum part goes here. Oops. Yeah. In that part we can connect in this way, and after that we have to there's a back part we can power on the machine in this way.
Yeah.
Okay. So why this product is easy to operate is in that part we can see that the 4-inch of the touch screen, and we can all arrangement and the set of the things we can do so easily. So let's look at here. We have the measure, graph, settings, and the systems is here. And if you click in the measure part in here, so we can see the motor status and the vacuum status as well, and we can see the motor temperature and its limitation here in the Fahrenheit or in the centigrade. We can adjust them, and is also oil temperature. And if you want to get some data about that, we can click in the graph section, and in here we will see that some that curves, and we can predict what kind of requirement the system is want. And if you want to change some of the measurements, we can click the settings. And as we know that in the vacuum, there's a microns, the level is so important. And then we can have the Pascal, torr, mTorr, MBAR, and then inch mercury. And we can setting here, if we want, in the centigrade or in the Fahrenheit. These are all options. And in this part, if you want to go to the settings, and after we set the unit, we can click in the vacuum, and we can point out the minimum vacuum value, and then we can the interval. And after that, if we turn on the machine, we need to click on the recording status, and when it starts, we can get data. So why this product is good? The main feature is that we can use that with our app. That means when this pump is working, and you have the urgent things, and you just check the things on your phone.
Yeah. Can you also show us how to use it on the app?
Sure.
Because this one works with the app, right?
Yeah. So we have the 2 apps, and the Elitech tools and Elitech Edge. And in here, if you look at there, we can see the available tools in here. And when we click the app. In here we will see the main screen. We saw that vacuum value, and also we can see the oil temperature, motor temperature. We can get the same usage things here, and it's in that part we can set the vacuum unit. The same units we can switch so easily in our app. It's a really good feature of this, and we can set in the recording interval. And then we can look to check there's a leakage rate, and the other part, if you want to get the settings, we can put a lower temperature, oil temperature lower limit and the upper limit. So that gives us the alarm notification in the case, and we can set them, and if something is at the machine or in the part of the phone, give the buzz sound, and we can see that process is successful or not. And then we can get these record state, and we can take the data as the Excel or PDF so easily.
Yeah, thank you.
So this is the main feature of this vacuum pump. It's easy to use and we can get into all options with using the app.
Okay, if you're anyone interested in ordering this, if you're interested in this vacuum pump and you're wondering how to buy this, you can just visit our online store elitechus.com, search the model number SVP-7 or V700. You will find it. As you know that the original price is $499 and it's on sale currently, just $299 only. But this is not the best offer yet. Today we have an extra discount for you, which is 10% off discount. Just enter the code LIVE10 LIVE10 at the checkout page. You will get this best price. And also you can check out our Amazon store. You can find this vacuum pump on our Amazon store. Just know that our Amazon promotion code is AMZ Live10. You can also enter this promotion code. You can get the same price. Just this code is only for today, so this is best time for you to buy it now. Okay, so
first we have to talk about this vacuum pump, what we can have some connection about with the digital manifold as well. So let's look at other products as well. Okay. So let me introduce this EMG as a photo with this digital manifold in here. So why this is useful and what are the key features of that? Let's say first it has a 5-inch capacitive touch screen and a display in all data ones and easy to use. And we can say it also has a connection via app, and we can get the quick data export so easily, and then system leak testing is also could be. So mainly things we can get the pressure and the temperature and measurement, and we can see like a supercooling or superheating as well, and we can have some the vacuum mode, and this pressure holding mode is included in this machine. So Rachel, could you help me let me explain that parts of it? This machine comes with this cool toolbox, and it has many parts of it. And what we have we have this temperature clamp. And in that part for temperature or pressure measurement, we can use, it will send in a 2 part of it, and it's logging in this part. Okay, we can clamp them. So in that part, we will send 4 hoses, and in the red one is like high parts, and the blue one is in the low pressure part, and we have the 2 yellow ones. They are for the vacuum or refrigerant part. We can connect them, and we have 4 valves, and they refers for like a high pressure and the low pressure and the vacuum, and this is in the charging value. And after that we have also is that in the vacuum interface part, and we can use that for connection of the vacuum pump, and we can use both of together. So let's look at the first. If you want to get some the pressure or and the temperature measurement, we have to clamp this in the both sides, and after that we have to click that pressure and the temperature part. As we see that like is a touch screen is so easy to use, and it shows us in that vapor saturation and the liquid saturation, like it refers to the subcooling and superheating, and we can see that low temperature, high temperature, and we can also see that the pressure changes. And if we click here, in here we know that we have the many kinds of the refrigerant, and we can choose which one is suitable in your case. And in this case we choose R143A as an example here. And after that we can get this data. If you click the bar here, we can see that in the data about it. So this is the first part. In the part, if you want to get in the pressure and the temperature part. But what are the other modes? It has 2 different modes also inside. The first one is like if we have this high and the low, and after that is the vacuum part. If they are turned on, and the recharging is the turn off part, if we click in the evacuation part, we can see that is in the vac mode. In here, we know that we can set in the micron and we can set the time and how long it will take. And if also want to get in the pressure mode, we can also use this section. In here, we will just use the high side part in the open, and we can click there. It will show us in the pressure difference as well. And this machine we can also set. Sorry. Yeah, we can set the units as, or we can in here, yeah, and weight, temperature, pressure, and the vacuum, and which one is currently you want to use. It's so easy to choose. And as well, we can press 0 before each measurement. We have to do this 0 calibration, and we can set the other auto off or other things. Okay, and if you want to get the wireless as well. And the record part, we can get all details, and we can check it from our mobile phone as well.
Yeah.
In here.
Can you share the phone, please?
As we talk in the vacuum pack, we can use the same app, and in here we can see, okay, yeah, it's the same display screen appears here, and we can see that in the low and the high pressure sides, and we can see like in the vapor saturation and the liquid saturation temperature, and we can click in here to get some settings. We can get the graph. Let's look at the first settings. We can set the temperature units and which one is useful for you. In that part, we can look at the graphs. Is it in the by real time, and we can you can analyze it immediately. And as well, we can look in the details. We can set name on the device. You can rename it. And other part, we can click here, and we can look in the difference in the modes as well. And in the right upside, we can change the type of the refrigerant. It's so easy to use. Yeah, this is the main features of the EMG4.
Okay, thank you. And if anyone are wondering how to order this intelligent manifold, same as the vacuum pump, visit our online store, elitechus.com, search the model number EMG-40V. You know, EMG-40V is also too. The original price is $640, and now it's on just $499. For everyone who's watching the show today, you will enjoy the extra discount, 10% off. Just enter the code LIVE10 at the checkout page, LIVE10, LIVE10 at the checkout page, and you will get this discount. And also, you can check out our Amazon store. Just enter the promotion code AMZ LIVE10 to get the same price. This code is just for today only, so tomorrow it will be expired. And I really like the design of the functions and of the EMG-40V, but I understand that the price is kind of expensive for someone. So Benny, can you recommend something with similar functions but with better price?
Yeah, of course. So we have another product is like a LMG-10, and in that part we can also use the vac mode and the pressure holding, and as well we can do the measurement of the temperature and the pressure as well. So it's the most costly, and in that part is easy to use as well. So what are the features of this LMG-10? We can say large display for clearer data recording, and a dual temperature compensation pressure sensor, and supports multiple refrigerants, and they calculate overheating or supercooling in the part, and the compact and portable. And the first part we have like in the hook and here, and okay, could you help me take that? Let me explain more.
Sure.
What is it? For temperature and the temperature collapses goes here, and then we can collapse them in for which system we want to use. And as we talked at first, we have the two valves here, and then the same logic. The red ones is like going to high pressure side, low hose is going to in the blue one is goes in the low side, and that part is for vacuum. And we have the two valves here. Okay, we can turn it out as well. So the first we should click, yeah, and then let's wait a while. Yeah, it goes in the PT mode. And the first it starts, and the first we have to click 0 to in the zeroing in the pressure. So we can see that here in the first, that's kind of 0 calibration. In here, what we can get, we can see the like evaporation, condensation, and then we can see like in the lower temperature side, in the higher temperature side. And the first, what we want to change in there for the refrigerator, just we need to use right and left key like this, and we can see that the changes in the machine.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah, and after that, if you want to use in the different modes, we can in the click in the mode and the together. Yeah, in here we can see that like the timing. It starts there. This is in the percentage of the vacuum, and this is in the pressure.
Yeah.
So if I click that, it will count each 1 minute, and we can get the data in easily. So what about if I press one more time, and then in here we will see that in the delta P, that refers is the pressure difference is here. So it's also vac mode and the pressure mode we can use with the cost way. If I want to change the units in here, let me. Yeah, if I want to change as a little long press in the mode, and then this is the first is the temperature, and we can change or click in there. I can see that in the pressure unit and the megapascal, and if it's in the like the on off in here, or how many minutes later it will be finished in the like 10 15. So this is kind of using for alarm notification case, so we can set the limits in this way.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the basic functions.
But what about the app? Does it work similar like EMG-48? Does it work with the app?
This product now is not ready to connect for the app features, but in the future it will around 2 months it will be have LMG10W. It will be available to use by the apps. So in that part is just we have to wait for a while.
Okay, got it. Now we have LMG-10 at a very good price. It was $189 before. Now it's just $123 plus the additional 10% off discount. It's really recommended by now. Everyone can visit our online store. Again, the code LIVE10, LIVE10 at the checkout page, and you will get the discount. And same as Amazon, you just visit our Amazon store. Just find this product. The promotion code is AMZ LIVE10 to get the price. And now we have went through the vacuum pump and manifolds. What else would we have?
Now we will talk about like in the scale actually for
this one,
refrigerator.
right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, as we know that in the systems we should put in the refrigerant, and it will be now that how much mass is gone, and why this like the refrigerant scale is good, and we have like the 25 less in height than the traditional scales, and it has is easy to use. Actually, in here we can get this remote here. Yeah, in the hidden part there, and it's easy to use, and it's also wireless transmission distance is like over 30 meters in that part. Comes with the Type-C. Let's look at in the toolbox of in that part. Charging adapters support or reverse. It will be that part. In here. Yeah, in here is it comes. It's like the it can be charged. It stands with Type-C. In that part, we can see for handle controller as well. In that part, we can use for Type-C to charge it. What about in the features about that? Let me,
Okay.
Let's click here. Yeah. So first we need to click this button. It turns green. In here, yeah, we have in the first setting part the key tone. We can on off. That means a mute or like unmute. First we can do that. Yeah.
Clean deflection.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that better? Yeah. So in that part we can set the units, and we have like the kilogram, or we have the pound section in here, and we can like the tare, and we have the charge if you want, and we have the recover section. It's really easy to use, and you can get it quickly in the data in that part. And this is this part we have talking about like the ketone. If you don't want to hear the sound like the beeping, and you can mute off in here. So we have the 2 unit sections, a kilogram or like the pound. So it will be easy to like for refrigerant systems.
Yeah.
We can use it this way. Yeah, let's try to here. So first, let's put it here. Yeah, it's a 195, and after there. Wait. Okay, 200. Okay, it's a charge.
I don't think you tend to tear it, right?
Yeah, tear, but it's not.
You tear it?
Yeah. I can't take it. It's a lot minus. But
Maybe tear it right now.
okay, that one is. Yeah. I don't. Okay, the main functions is like the tear and change recover. I will check it out.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you for sharing these details. And if you want to know more information about this product, like the specifications about the scale, and then you could visit our online store, elitechus.com, and search the model number, RSRL-100. Go to the product page to check it out. And you can also order from our online store directly, just to add it to your card and continue to payment. Now the price is $299, plus please don't forget to enter the code LIVE10, just in case you forget it. So the code is LIVE10, LIVE10, to get the 10% off discount. And also you can check it out on our Amazon store. Just the promotion code is AMZ LIVE10. The code is valid for today only, so tomorrow the code will be expired, and please don't forget to buy it now. Okay, we only have one product left, right? What is it?
Now we will talk about that the leak detector is actually is really.
I will take it to you.
Okay, in the leak detector part, this comes within the tool. Actually, this is the essential things, because for a gas leak or things, it's really important for us in daily life, or for technicians or mechanics. In that part is safety, right? What are the essential things about this product? We can say it's suitable for more refrigerant, including HFCs, HCs, and the locate range and the fixed point. And we have the UV part here, and applicable for any complex conditions, and the lower power consumption, and the longer battery life, and 10 minutes auto off, and a 2 years warranty in that part. It comes with a good toolbox. And we have the type C here. Can you?
Super easy to use. Okay, I'll grab the camera to get
so
closer.
in here we have the type C here, and then we have the extra part. It can be, we can change in any case, and it's kind of is a movable, is going to into any pieces so easily. And we send like the adapter, and this is the part of that. So the first thing is like we have to click that. It has a warm up timing around 30 seconds. In this part, we have to wait like 30 seconds till the machine is getting warm up, and it has two modes. And the one of them is the heat diode, and it's really like we have the two modes, and we have the peak function. We can see that like to compare for comparison about the leakage in the different points, and we can raise the sensitivity, and we can mute if we are working in the like noise environment. We can use like the headphones, and also we can mute that in here. So the first we can set the, let's mute first. Okay, we can mute on in this way, and we can set in the sensitivity. Yeah, sure.
The reflection.
Okay, sure.
Thank you.
And we have the like the if it's a ping on or off. In here we can compare that, and let's try to
Oh yeah. We
let's
have
try
this.
to make some example here. Okay, so let's make in the
Do I need to move the packing?
yeah
Okay.
in here, in here, let's in here like that. It comes up.
Yeah.
So this is the peak off option. So that's why it will not show that which ones are high. If I peak on,
Yeah.
and after that in here like it will stay there. So that means for another place or another kind of thing, the looking part, we can see that like we can make some decompression easily, and we can mute in each other as well. It's
Very
so
cool.
easy to use, and we can set the sensitivity about that. It's a longer
Sensitivity. Can you
yeah,
please-
in here low, high, and a medium, and we have three different sensitivity there.
Okay.
And peak on, off, and we can mute or unmute.
Oh yeah, right. Symbols.
Yeah, in the left side,
Okay.
upside, we can see that. And there's a battery there. There's a long battery life.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And then same as the other products, you can find this one by searching IR-200 on our elitech.us.com website. The model number is IR-200. The current price is $289. Don't forget we have a coupon for everyone today, and it's enter the code. You can enter the code LIVE10 LIVE10. LIVE10 at the checkout page. Please don't forget it. And the code is for today only. Okay, and you can check out the Amazon store. It's, the promotion code is AMZ LIVE10, and you with this such a good price, you can enjoy this high tech and sensitive leak detector, and we provide faster delivery service as well. So I think that's all products today, right? And we found that we have some questions from the...
Yeah, let's answer some of the common questions about the products, and it's for giving the better understanding.
Yeah, I noticed that someone is asking what is the difference between the model SVP7 and V700.
Actually, they are the same product, but different color. So we know that the products, the people, they care about how it appears. So they are just same product, but just different color options.
Okay. And one person just found that we also have a model that it's called EMG-2020V. It's different from the one we showed today. That is the EMG-40V. So is it the only difference with the EMG-20V, the addition of a vacuum port? The EMG.
In that part, the EMG4, we say that it has the 4 valves in the part, the right side in the high and low, and also we have in the vacuum and the charging. But another ones just have 2 valves, like the high and the low. So this is the difference between them.
And for the scale, it's SRL100. And someone is wondering what is the transmit distance between the remote and the scale.
It's like a 30 meters or 98 feet.
Okay, that's good.
Like that.
And also, I found that someone is wondering how to apply the coupon. You know, just visit our online store, and there at the checkout page you have a column for the coupon, so you can just enter the code live10 at the checkout page and you will get the price. And can I pay by credit card? Yes, we accept a credit card, and we accept a PayPal, MasterCard, and American Express.
Maybe we should also talk about like how we download the apps from the Apple Store or Google
yeah.
Play. It's so convenient to get those apps.